distance 4 centimeter. Any even distance you take 4, I think is most convenient one. Normally on the page when you are doing making diagram, it is most convenient one. And putting compass here at C, make a circle like this, half part of the circle, and this is going to be your mirror. And this is which mirror? Concave mirror. Which mirror it is? Concave mirror I am making. And half from C to P, it is 4 centimeter, half is 2 centimeter. That also you mark, that is F focus. Clear? And this thing you have to repeat again and again for concave mirror. Now I will tell you how to make convex mirror now. Same method, but little change is there. See here again, you take make a principal axis like this, and from anywhere, say from here, this is a point, from here you take 4 centimeter distance. I am taking it from here, 4 centimeter distance, 4 centimeter up to here, and half of that is 2 centimeter. That mark also I put. Then again I take a compass and I put it at one point here, and I just extend it up to 4 centimeter mark and make a mirror like this. But you see, this is going to be convex mirror, so I take C on the right side here, because object has to be on the front side. And here painting is done from the bulging part, the part which is bulging out, okay, out, and this is bulging in, right, depressed one. On the bulging part painting is done, so that means concave mirror. But here opposite is done. In the depressed part, which is depressed inside, inward, here painting is done. So reflecting side is this side, okay, so that is reflecting. So what kind of mirror is this? This is convex mirror. And again this point C, where compass I put, and this is P, and half of that will be F. So this is how you have to make mirror in all cases, okay. Whenever you have to know how mirror has to be made, you refer to this video, right? Now first step is this. Now first rule: a ray traveling parallel to principal axis of a concave mirror passes through principal focus after reflection. Means if a ray of light is traveling parallel to this principal axis, so I am making a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. Very carefully you have to make, it has to be parallel to principal axis. Up to the mirror you have to make. This ray is parallel to this and this line, this ray and this principal axis, they are parallel to each other. So parallel I have made. And from here, because it strikes here on the mirror, from here this ray will be reflected, and after reflecting it passes through focus, actually passes through focus. So now what I have to do, I will join the point where the ray strikes the mirror and F together and extend. See, I am just joining the point, then I will extend it. See, again I will just focusing will be done. See it carefully, right? See that I join this point, okay, where the parallel ray strikes and passes through F. This is the rule. A ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection from concave mirror it is, after reflection it passes through what? Passes through F, okay. And here on the ray, before reflection also you have to put arrow, after reflection also you have to put arrow on the ray, otherwise with line is not an arrow. This is first rule for concave mirror. Now first rule for convex mirror. Again see, object has to be on the left side, so ray should come from left side always. Again the ray should be parallel. I am making parallel ray only. See, parallel to principal axis. This ray I made parallel to principal axis. Parallel, right? Now this ray cannot reach F because F is behind the mirror on the painted side. How it can reach here? So what we can do? So what we have to do, we join this point where the rays strike the mirror with F, but in dotted line we join it. See, dotted I am joining at the back side, dotted, 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 dotted up to this, and on the left side I join thick. Okay, so this point I join with F, dotted at the back side, and on the left side means that reflecting side, this is the reflecting side, thick line. Okay, so what wording can be there for this kind of rule? It is given in your book, second arrow. In case of convex mirror, reflected ray which is parallel to principal axis, convex mirror, reflected ray appears to diverge. Means if your eye is here, suppose I am making an eye here, this is eye. Then for the eye, this ray is coming from what? Which point? F. Appears to be coming from F. Not actually, appears to be coming from F. Do you understand? So for the person, this ray is appearing to be coming from F. For this word appears to come from F, we write diverge from principal focus. Diverge from F. Right? So what is the wording? In case of convex mirror, reflected ray appears to diverge from principal focus of the mirror. Clear? This is our first rule. What is this? First rule. Now for the second rule, I have already made the mirrors. Already it is there. Okay. Now what is the second rule? A ray passing through principal focus means a ray first passes through F. A ray I am making ray which passes through F first before reflection, means the ray passes through F. See, this is F and the ray is passing through F before touching the mirror, passes through F, and after reflection it becomes parallel to principal axis. After reflection you have to make a ray which is parallel to principal axis. See, it becomes parallel to principal axis after reflection, but first it passes through F, then it strikes the mirror, then it becomes parallel to principal axis. So a ray passing through principal axis of concave mirror gets reflected parallel to its principal axis. This is second rule for concave mirror. First rule is this, second is this for concave. First rule for convex is this. Now second rule for convex will be here I am showing you again, because now how can ray pass through F? This is not possible because F is on the other side of the mirror. So what we do, we just put our scale on F and we draw